Today we are at Tivoli Gardens. Hope you enjoy this Christmas special. Let's get into it.
These are little huts selling lots of little gifts for people for Christmas. And oh my god, look at this stand. We're gonna have a look here. Hello. I want this Christmas tree in our barn. We can have a little look in. That's their Instagram as well, this shop. Let's carry on. To watch a light show on the palace. That is pretty. I have to say that is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Would you want a photo with it?
Sure.
Alright, we'll do one in a minute. I mean, look how stunning this is. I think this might be one of the nicest looking theme parks I have ever seen. try and go on it, possibly. So we managed to get a ticket on. Look at this. So pretty. Up we go. Look at this view. We've got the carousel. We've got the whole little villages over here. Got the roller coasters. And over here you've got more.